AI usage and online reputation management, should you not use it? So here is my recommendation. It is better to never use AI than to use AI all the time. AI is detected by Google and it's not considered original as it stands. You can use any AI model. I've tested them all. If you just simply run an AI article and publish it, it might do something, but it's not going to be nearly as effective as writing the worst humanized article ever, because that's more original. So my recommendation is when you get good at writing in general, to use AI, to start with AI to structure your content and to ask the AI to generate content segment by segment rather than all together. Now, there's a few basic tools you can use. The most well-known one is probably ChatGPT. We're going to go over how to do ChatGPT prompts, but you can also use other systems like Agility Writer and SEOwriting.ai. Now, Agility Writer is very quick, happy, slapdash. It's very fast. SEOwriting.ai is more detailed, and in my opinion, this is the better AI writer for this purpose. So I'm going to link you to SEOwriting.ai, but first ChatGPT, because you don't even need an SEO writer. Mind you, some of the links in this course might be affiliate links. However, these are tools that we use every single month. I will never recommend something that we have not at least used hundreds of times.